how to enable and use click to do in Windows 11 24H2. So if you want to enable and use click to do in Windows 11 24H2, then Windows 11 or PC Microsoft has released the Windows 11 24H2 with a wide range of noteworthy AI powered features, including the super handy click to do. Makes the click to do so impressive is the ability to understand the contents on the screen and offer relevant action at any time. So if you want to learn how to use it on your Windows 11 PC, to do that, we need to activate the click to do feature on your PC. To activate, all you need to do is just hold down the Windows key and click anywhere on the screen to bring up the overlay that shows contextual suggestions depending on what it finds. For instance, if you have selected some text on your Windows device, the click to do feature will offer you an option to summarize or even rewrite. And likewise, if you have selected a photo, it might provide you the option to remove the background or even blur the background. Some notable features include contextual actions depending on what is on the screen, search for anything on the screen with a dedicated search bar, and more. It also takes advantage of the Windows Recall integration to make sense of the content on the screen. So to enable it, you just need simply press Windows key and then click anywhere on your screen. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.